If you do have any technical questions of any sort, please feel free to reach out to our support team. Do this by clicking on the Need Help button, and then on the right-hand side, accept that you want to chat with us and very easily start a new conversation. From here, you can go ahead and ask your question, and we will get back to you shortly. You can always close this window and continue what you're doing as we respond to you. To open up the same specific chat, simply click on Need Help and join any recent conversations that you have had. Feel free to rate this chat at any point in time so we can continuously improve our services. Should at any moment our support team not be live, please enter your question over here and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Apart from our live support, you can always rely on our Help Center articles.